What's up, baby girl, Shasta dog? Hey, I'm talking to you from over here in Florida. How you doing, Shasta? Hi, Shasta. Hi, baby. How you doing, Shasta dog? My Shasta dog. Shasta dog, how you doing? How you doing, Shasta? I'll be home next week. Oh, yeah, Shasta dog. Meow. Moo. Hi. Did I wake you? Hi, good girl. Good girl. Yeah. Yeah, that's my good baby. Hi. I'm talking to you from the camera. Moo. Moo. Good girl. Good girl, Shasta dog. Yeah. Yeah, you're good girls. Where'd you go? I don't see you. Oh, yeah, I don't see you. You're hiding from me. The hell is there, a trike? Oh, there you are. No, no, Shasta! 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 Where are you going? Yeah, there you are. There's my good girl. Here's my good baby. Yeah, hi. Hi, bubbies. Hi, bubbies. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hello, Shasta dog. You be a good girl. You go lay down. Go sit down. Go see it. Yeah, good girl. I'll be home next week. Huh. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay. I love you. I love you. Yeah. I'm watching you, baby. Yeah, I'm watching you. I see you. Yeah. Oh, yeah. You're a good girl. Yeah, you are. Good bubbies. Oh, Shasta dog. Yeah. I'm talking to you from 1,000 miles away. Or more. I'm actually in Florida. I know you miss me. I know you miss me. I'll be home next week to pick you up. Listen to this truck talking shit. Oh, row, row. Yeah, I love you too. I love you too, baby. Well, I'm sorry. I had to go out of town for work. I'll be home. Mama will come home and feed you here in a little while. Yes, you will. All right? Are you ready to go for a ride in the big truck? Huh? Are you ready to go for a ride? All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye.